Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a folding surprise. First you fold the paper in half, then you fold it in half again, and then you turn the paper around, and then you fold it. You can make a shark or anything you like. But I am going to make a mummy. Keep the paper folded and make the outline of the box. Make any kind of pattern or design on it to decorate. I finished the outside, now I need to do the inside. Now I'm going to draw a spooky mummy inside of the I finished the drawing, now I need to color in. I finished. This is how it looks from the outside. And this is how it looks from the inside. Surprise, surprise, surprise. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.